6th standard. Have a good day. Have a nice day as usual. Oh, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are just doing revision for half yearly exam. Chapter 8, Body Movements, as video number 17. Now this body movements, what do we know? Movement of the body. Whose body? It is body of plants, animals and microorganisms. Otherwise we say movement of living things. Now we come across two terms. One is locomotion. One is locomotion and another one is movement. I hope you can recollect these two terms. Another locomotion and movements. Locomotion is the movement of animals from one place to other in search of food, shelter and to escape from the predators and to escape from the enemies. This is locomotion. Well, this locomotion, they are of different organs as a amoeba, locomotory organ. Amoeba, locomotory organ, it is pseudopodia. Locomotory organ, pseudopodia. And then hydra, it is tentacle. Hydra, tentacles. Paramecium, it is cilia. Euglena, it is flagellum. Okay. Earthworm, it is called body seated. The earthworm, it is present in the moist soil. So to get the grip of the soil surface, the body of earthworm is having bristle-like structure called setae. So that is known as body setae. And then insects, as cockroach, it is having legs and wings. And molluscan, it is muscular foot. And fishes, it is moving with the help of fins. Frog, limbs and tail. The larval form, it moves with the help of tail. And all other higher animals moving with the help of limbs. Higher animals moving with the help of limbs. And in that age, as birds, they move, otherwise they fly, where forelimb is modified into feathers and hind limb is meant for walking, hopping, etc. I hope you will follow this. So this is for the locomotion as different organs of locomotion. I hope you understand this. In your example, just interest சொல்றேன். இது வந்து larva, caterpillar, hopping னு போடுறோம். Right? இது வந்து larva, caterpillar வந்து it is creeping. And insect வந்து swimming. Insect with the help of fins it will swim. And butterfly வந்து will fly. And frog will hop. I hope you understand. This is a match the following. The figure match பண்றாப்ல you have to fill up. I hope you understand. Then it is said all animals do not have bones to support their body animals are grouped into two categories as animals with the backbone and animals without backbone. Animals without backbone, they are called invertebrates, and animals with the backbone, they are known as vertebrates. சரியா? So நான் பார்த்தது வரேன். இப்போ வந்து locomotion it is movement of animals from place to place in search of food, shelter and to escape from enemies. Right. Whereas movement, it is movement of any body parts for both plants and animals. As such, plants will not move from place to place. It just moves its plant body as leaves, branches of trees and stem portion, shoot system. When there is a wind, when there is a heavy wind or cyclone or normal movement, gentle breeze, idamana kaathu adikkurodho, these plant parts will move. So locomotion la plants as such will not move. It will move only their plant parts. I hope you understand. Locomotion வந்து இதெல்லாம் body parts of the animals which move from place to place. I hope you understand. So now locomotion is the movement of an organism from one place to another, and they move in search of food, move away from danger and enemies, find suitable places to build nests and to bring young ones. Right? And then I said as vertebrates, animals with the backbone, and invertebrates, animal without backbone. Are you clear? Right. Now next one, in human, movement is taking place in coordination with the muscular system and skeletal system. Movement in human takes place with the coordination of skeletal system and muscular system. Now the skeletal system in man, skeletal system in man, it is as two major category. One is axial skeleton and another one is appendicular skeleton. It is as two categories. One is axial skeleton, other one appendicular skeleton. And this axial skeleton will include skull, ribs and vertebral column. Skull, ribs and vertebral columns. Whereas appendicular skeleton, that includes pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle and bones of the upper limb. Bones of the upper limb. This is the lower limb. Whereas this upper limb, it is as humerus, upper arm, humerus, forearm, radius and ulna, radius and ulna, wrist, the carpals, palm and metacarpals, then digits, phalanges, that is digits. Same way, it is femur, thigh bone, it is tibia and fibula, it is ankle, it is palm of the feet, toes, and then வந்து bones. I hope you understand this. Yeah? So now one by one சொல்றேன். Skull வந்து it is formed of 22 bones. Skull it is formed of 22 bones as frontal, temporal, parietal, occipital. In the forehead ல வந்து frontal, parietal, temporal, occipital. Occipital வந்து side. Correct? So there are 4: frontal, temporal, parietal, occipital. There are 4 functional part of the skull. And then facial bone, there are 14 facial bones. So that's the asset. Skull வந்து 8 plus 14, 22 bones will be present. சரியா? So I say skull formed of 8 bones and facial bone there are 14 in nature. Right? And then the skull bone, they are attached to each other and they are joined with the help of sutures. It's called sutures. Right? And then we come across a term joint. Joint is a place where two bones meet, and this joint they are attached to each other. Two bones they are attached to each other by ligament. They are attached to each other by ligament, and this joint it is as movable joint, immovable joint, and slightly movable joints. As movable joint, immovable joint, and slightly movable joints. Joints are of major 3 types. Under that movable joints, we come across one minute. Under movable joint, under movable joint, we come across ball and socket joint, hinge joint, and gliding joint. Ball and socket joint, hinge joint, and gliding joint. என்ன தெரியும்? என்ன ஞாபகம் வருது? Ball and socket joint, the shoulder or hip. அதாவது இந்த அடுத்தது வரை இந்த upper arm humerus is fitting into the pectoral girdle. That is ball and socket joint. Joint it is ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint, and it shows movement in all direction. எப்படினாலும் சுத்தலாம், மேலேயோ கீழேயோ ரொட்டேஷனோ. So it is freely movable joint. சரியா? Then second one, it is pivot joint. Pivot joint in the neck portion. It moves only towards this side and up. The rotation பண்ண முடியும். சரியா? ஆனா இப்படி side to side you can show the movement. That is pivot joint. Then third one, it is hinge joint. Hinge joint அந்த கதவு இருக்குல்ல, கதவு விண்டோவோ நம்ம ஒரு பக்கம் தான் திறக்க முடியும் இல்லையா? அதே மாதிரி தான் நம்ம jointsலையும் you can move only towards one side. Say for example, நம்ம முட்டு எடுத்துக்கோ, கையில முட்டு வந்து towards you only we can, otherwise towards forward direction you can move. இது இப்படி பின்னாடி போட முடியாது, போட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? கை உடஞ்சி கை தந்துடும் இல்லையா? ஸோ இப்படி உடஞ்சிடும், இப்படி தான் மூவ் பண்ணணும். I hope you understand. So hinge joint which will show only movement towards one direction. I hope you understand. Then fourth one is called a gliding joint. That is sliding joint. For example, this our hand. This is radius and ulna. These bones they are called radius and ulna. Two bones இருக்கும். இந்த two bonesம் அப்பனா humerus-ஓட இந்த முட்டியில அதோட join பண்ணிருக்கு. Right? So when this radius and ulna is moving towards you, இது ரெண்டும் parallel பக்கத்துல இருக்கும். Whereas when you put your hand down, அது ரெண்டும் தனிஞ்சு இல்லையா, அது வந்து gliding joint. உனக்கு எப்போ ஓவர்லாப் பண்ணணுமோ அப்போ பண்ணிக்கும், கீழே விட்டா அது அப்படியே இருக்கும். So that is gliding joint. I hope you understand this. So these are all movable joints. இது கண்டிப்பா நான் வந்து டீடைல் கொஸ்டின் ஷார்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ்லையும் என்ன சொல்றது பிரீஃப் ஆன்சர்லையும் கேட்கிறேன். I hope you understand. So ball and socket joint, 5Y joint, gliding joint. Here the flat bones slide over the flat surface of the other. I hope you understand. Same way gliding joint கால்லையும் இந்த gliding joint இருக்கு. சரியா? And then this movement of joint, they go in coordination with the muscles. In the diagram பாரு, muscle and movement சொல்றோம். இந்த movement இல்லையா? So இது வந்து கையில வருது. இது பேரு இந்த மூணு bundle of muscle fiber இல்லையா, அது பேரு biceps and triceps. ரெண்டு bundle இருந்ததுன்னா that is called triceps. மூணு இருந்ததுன்னா biceps muscle. So now this bicep muscle is attaching to the bone of the upper arm through tendon. Whereas bone to bone attachment, ligament, muscle to bone attachment, it is called tendon. I hope you understand. So this is for the muscular system. We are in coordination with the muscular system. சரியா? Then அடுத்து this you should know movement of this structure, skeletal system, right? Then next one, it is as ribs. Come to axial skeleton, ribs, it is formed of 12 pairs of ribs as true ribs, where first 7 pairs attached to the bones, they are called true, attached to the sternum or the chest bone, it is called true ribs. When it is remaining 8, 9 and 10, they are called false ribs because they are attached to the all the 3 bones fused together and then attached to the chest bone. So it is called false rib. And ribs with the 11th and 12th pairs, they are not directly attached. So it is known as floating ribs. So ribs are true ribs, false ribs and floating ribs. I hope you understand. And then the movement of animals, as I said, as we have learned it as movement of earthworm. It is moving with the help of longitudinal, circular and longitudinal muscle. Earthworm movement with the help of body, CK, circular and longitudinal muscle. And then snail moving with the help of muscular foot. Snail moving with the help of muscular foot. And then snake will move, and that movement it is called slithering. Snake will move and it is known as slithering. Then birds will move with the help of birds will fly with the help of feathers. 4 limbs are modified into feathers. And this modification, otherwise we say birds are adapted to aerial mode of life, where the body is suited in such a way that it is having streamlined body. Body is covered with feathers. 4 limbs are modified into feathers. And then their lungs are light, bones are very hollow. They are called pneumatic bones, and lungs are provided with the air sacs. I hope you understand. And the landing, when the birds will take off, then take a straight move on the sky and then landing. அது வந்து நமக்கு பிக்சரோட அந்த வீடியோ செஷன் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன், அதை ரெக்கலெக்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ அடாப்டேஷன்ஸ் ஆஃப் பேர்ட்ஸ் இஸ் important question. Important question. These are all possible short answers that can be checked. You have to note down. I don't say important. These are all easily, you can understand easily, and you can sort out the points. சரியா? The pneumatic bone rectangle you should remember. Another pneumatic bone in aves bird, the bones are very hollow, like in way, so it is known as pneumatic bone. I hope you understand. So now, what type of skeleton does snail have? Snail has exoskeleton. Then why is our backbone not fixed? Backbone is not fixed so that we cannot bend. What a question, or a hard question. If our vertebral column is formed of single bone, what will happen? Is it possible? We cannot stand or sit. We cannot keep our body held up. Is it not? So the holding up. So that this backbone is not fixed so that we cannot bend. And cartilage provide shape to the body and also lubrication. Is it true? Yes, sir. Because cartilage is a tender, soft tissue. It is not actually a bone. And this cartilage is present in the ear, pinna of the ear, nose tip and tracheal rings. Sure. Then what provide rigid surface of attachment? It is skeletal system. Then what is the modification of the birds for flying? It is forelimbs are modified to fly. Then our scales of fish endoskeleton or exoskeleton. The body of fish is formed of scales here. They are exoskeleton. Then which part of the skull encloses the brain? Cranium. Skull is also known as cranium on the brain box. Then the joint where our neck and joins the head, it is pivot joint. Name the joint which say yes or no without opening your mouth. Yes or no ku solunga, adu vandu pivot joint. Name the joints where bones cannot move. The joint which are fixed, it is called fixed joint, right? Then which bone enclosed by the term gait of animal? Gait na locomotion, different locomotion. So pelvic bone enclose the portion of our body below the stomach. What is the gait of animal? Gait of animal refers to the way of movement in animals. Different animals have different body parts and help them to move. I hope you are able to follow this. Sure. Akapra bookla questions, question bank la nalla padichuko. That is for the test, right? Now this figure, it is there are two snakes. One is having too many loops. Loops na valanje irukku, that slithering movement. Which snake will move faster? The more loops you have, snake will move faster. So this one will move faster than this. I hope you understand. Then the cockroach figure பார்த்துக்கோ, cockroach movement இதெல்லாம் பார்த்து identify the figure and name the locomotory organ. You have to name it. Same way for the fish, fins are the locomotory organs, right? And then what are the adaptations of the fins for moving? It is streamlined body and presence of fins for the movement. I hope you understand. So this is for the revision number 17, video number 17, where body movements, right? And you should also go through the video lesson for body movement, what is described. And you should know all the diagrams to be drawn. I hope you are able to follow this. Can you? So you will go through the lesson again. This is only a revision where you have to learn it as body movements as human skeletal system, and then movement of animals in different way. I hope you understand. We will continue in the next video session. Thank you.